Dear angels, divine guides, I come before you with a humble heart, seeking your divine presence and guidance. I ask for your healing energy to surround me now, as I envision your radiant white healing light flowing through my body. I invite this light to infuse every cell with vitality and grace. May this healing light wash away any pain, fear, or negativity, replacing it with peace and strength. I trust in your power to restore balance and harmony within me, allowing my spirit to soar. Thank you, dear angels, for the profound healing taking place. I am grateful for your love, support, and for the gift of life itself. With each breath, I acknowledge the beauty around me and the blessings I receive. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is.